Sanibonani, channel. Welcome back to my channel. Sisasephezukayo indaba kaMakay, indaba kaMakay. Is she giving hint with the t-shirt that she posted today, Bana? Because everyone is like, oh wow, this t-shirt means so much and this t-shirt brings so much joy, and people they like commenting on the t-shirt saying, Bana, we've got this t-shirt at home. Some people are saying, I've known this t-shirt from long time ago. Some are saying this t-shirt, the print on the t-shirt is on their walls. So what does this t-shirt mean, guys? Who has this t-shirt and what does it mean actually? What does it mean? Is it because this picture is a picture of a mom and usana kebatunana? Is uMakay giving us hint ukubana IVF it went well? Is she pregnant? Is she expecting? That would be wonderful news. And then ukubana, if it is true ukubana she is expecting, this would be like so great for her. We know how she is, like she's so good with all abantwana bakamseleku. So imagine her now having your very own child. That would be wonderful news. We love Uma Khumalo. We love how beautiful she is. We love the way she portrays herself out of Abafazi Bonke Bakamseleku. We love how she's there for Abantwana Bakamseleku. Like everyone is so free and always happy around uMakay. Like even the way she raised the Umbilendle, like it's just beautiful watching how she has mothered all the kids, even though they were not biological hers. And some people bayacho bana, hayi Ntombi, you've lost so much weight. So abantu bayakhomenta ke pha bathi, is she pregnant okanye amehlo wami? Nangu omunye uthi hayi ngathi amehlo wabo abona lokhu nami endikubonayo, bathi ne baze bayavumelana. So let's hope this it is. So here's someone also saying, Bana, we used to have this picture on her t-shirt at home. My mom told me that was us, and I believed until I started seeing it on other people's homes. Mtungwa, your t-shirt is a sign. My favorite person. I saw on TikTok that you are pregnant. I hope it's true, Batungu. Nampile, good luck. Like everyone is so happy for uMakay, Bana. Is it finally happening for her? What are your thoughts, guys? What is Makhumalo trying to tell us? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.